Hi everyone, I'm back with the new project. This is Rover 7. So you can see here three vehicles, Rover 7 Dark Metal, Rover 7 Camouflage, and Rover 7 March. So this is basically actually a generator, a mobile generator. So it's like it's like you have to give electric supply to some places or some areas. So you need this vehicle to temporarily give the supply for electricity. So it's carrying electric generator actually in the back, or you can use it as a mobile generator for some lab facilities or something. So this is the part of the rover collection vehicle. So it's like there are 11 test sets, and also you see three vehicles. So three vehicles for three situation. So it's an ideal game asset for RTS gameplay, and you can use it as a RTS, also first person or third person game. So it's like a conceptual vehicle and a low poly vehicle also. So it's a very basic building. So I will continue it in Unity and then the Unreal. So hope you are enjoying it, and I will continue it in fast in Unity, then the Unreal. So hope you are staying with me and seeing this one. So thank you. Hi everyone, this is Rover 7. I welcome you all in Rover 7 Unity project. So you are seeing here, this is totally Unity ready. You will have, with this project, you will have the FBX of the Rover 7, and then you will have the materials, of course, and also the textures. All the textures are 4K, as I am doing this project, all the textures, and I keep maintaining this size, the 4K. I think the 4K is enough for high resolution game, and also the low resolution. You can go lower from here, but 4K is okay. So you can see there are three vehicles like dark metal, camouflage, and the Mars. So this one is a moving generator, I mean mobile generator. So this is responsible for generating electricity or any kind of mining facilities. You can use it. So this asset is very effective for RTS game. Imagine this is an RTS unit coming out from a building. So yeah. So I will continue it in Unreal next. So this is fully from Unity HDRP. So this is from HDRP, you can see. So keep watching and keep connecting with me. And if you need this asset, you just text me in a comment section. Thank you. Hi everyone, I welcome you all in the Rover 7 project, in the Unreal project 5.3 Unreal. So you're seeing Rover 7. It's a mobile generator. You can see here the back of the vehicle is the generator. So you can use it like generating some power for an area. So you as like the other projects, you can find here all the textures and also the materials. So 11 materials is there. So yeah, and also the IPX file. Yeah, if I can maximize the view, you can have a better look. So you can see this is a huge vehicle compared to the human size. You're seeing it here. So the three variation looking very nice. That dark metal, camouflage, and Mars. So yes. So if you need this asset, just contact with me. And this is the number 7. So all just 3 remains. So I will launch as a package for these vehicles. You can use it in your projects, or you can use one by one. I mean a single purchase can be done from my asset store. So this is fully ready for the Unreal users. I am imagining that it will look very fantastic in an RTS kind of environment. So thank you all. Keep supporting and stay with me and support me. So yeah, thank you for today. So I will come with Rover 8, 9, and 10. So yeah, thank you.